Quinoa salad is a nutritious and delicious dish that's perfect for those looking to eat healthily and enjoy a variety of flavors and textures. Here's a simple way to make this health-boosting salad. First, gather the ingredients. Quinoa, fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, and carrots, herbs such as parsley or cilantro, lemon, olive oil, nuts or seeds such as almonds or chia seeds. Start by cooking the quinoa according to the package instructions. Generally, this involves rinsing the quinoa thoroughly to remove its natural coating, which can be bitter, then boiling it in water for about 15 minutes. Once cooked, let it cool down to room temperature. While the quinoa is cooling, chop your fresh vegetables into bite-sized pieces and finely chop your herbs. The vibrant mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, and carrots will not only add color to your salad, but will also provide essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to your daily nutrient intake. Next, prepare the dressing by mixing fresh lemon juice with a generous amount of olive oil. This light and healthy dressing not only enhances the flavor, but also helps your body absorb the nutrients from the vegetables more effectively. Now, combine the cooled quinoa with the chopped vegetables and herbs in a large bowl. Drizzle the lemon olive oil dressing over the mixture and toss everything together until well combined. For an added crunch and extra nutritional benefits, sprinkle a handful of nuts or seeds, such as almonds or chia seeds, over the top. Not only do they add texture, but they are also rich in healthy fats and fiber, aiding in digestion and satiety. The primary health benefits of quinoa salad come from its high protein content, especially since quinoa contains all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This is ideal for muscle building and tissue repair. The fiber in both the quinoa and fresh vegetables promotes digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Additionally, the herbs and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your body from free radicals and reduce inflammation. In conclusion, quinoa salad is a perfect combination of taste and health. Whether you're a vegetarian, looking to boost your protein intake, or simply wanting to enjoy a refreshing meal, this salad ticks all the boxes. Enjoy it as a main course or a side dish, and relish the myriad of benefits it brings to your well-being.